Hey guys, T here. Today on Cool Things, we're going to look at a couple of old wallpaper trimmers. They're Ridgley trimmers, and the older one has a date of January 29, 1896. It also has a date July 14, 1906, Springfield, Ohio. The other one doesn't have dates on it. It just has the Ridgley name. But these were sort of a kit or a system to cut wallpaper. And they look like they work pretty cool. So let's dive into these guys and see what they do and see what cool things they are. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get going. Let's take this older one of the Ridgley's trimmer and clean it up a bit and see what it does. Just a little piece of copper. I'm going to bend it so that we won't mar up the spindle on our cutter. Boy, this is a tough one. Let's see if we haven't messed this up. It still looks good. I put WD-40, I put penetrating oil. I don't know what's going to do it. Boy. I bent up this driver. I'll try something else. I'm going to clean this off a little bit. I'm going to try this impact for left-hand threads. Left-hand threads. Yes! Seems it's got a little bit of a turned edge here. I don't know if I messed it up when I was trying to get that screw off, or if it just had a turned edge. But we're going to try to cut that off with this diamond stone. We got some nicks in here that I want to try to get out. Left-hand threads, please. So we're going to chuck this in a drill press and see if we can sharpen it. A little oil hole here. I think we'll put just a touch of light oil in there. Since I don't have the rail for this Ridgley trimmer, I'm going to build one and see if we can't simulate what happens. I built this little track so that the cutter can ride on the track in the groove here. And it fits like this and rides down the track. and the cutter's here. And then what we'll do is we'll put our test paper in here, and we'll put this piece of aluminum like this, so that the cutter's got something to bear on. And we'll just cut away. Okay, that seems to line up. I got this nice and tight. I assume that's the way the rig works. Everything I've seen on their catalogs looks that way. So let's put our cutter on and see if we can cut anything. We got it in the channel. Let's see. Let's push down. Well, the concept's there, but I don't think this paper is as thick as maybe wallpaper. So let's try something else. Let's try some thicker paper. Here's a file folder. I think this is probably thicker than wallpaper, but this is what we got to test, so we're going to test it. I don't have any wallpaper. Okay, looks like we're in the channel. Push down. Hey, now we're talking. All right, let's try that again. Put our cutter in the groove. Push down. Okay, works. So there's our test on another cool thing, a Ridgley wallpaper trimmer. The thing works pretty good, I think, if we had the whole kit. Our improvised method showed that it would work pretty good, I think, if we had everything. Anyway, it was kind of fun to look into and see what makes this thing tick. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time on Cool Things.